Hello students. So today I am doing class for class 10. The topic is quadratic sorts. So in the last class also we were doing the same topic, that is quadratic sorts. So let's do question number 6. So what is question number 6 here? If a is equal to root 5 plus 1 whole divided by root 5 minus 1 and b is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1, let us calculate the followings. That is, in number 1 you have to calculate a square plus ab plus b square, and in the denominator a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now number 2, a minus b whole cube divided by a plus b whole cube. And number 3 is 3a square plus 5ab plus 3b square whole divided by 3a square minus 5ab plus 3b square. And number 4 is a cube plus b cube divided by a cube minus b cube. Okay. So in order to find out the value of all these expressions, let us calculate the value for a plus b as well as a minus b. Because here a and b are given. So let us calculate the value of a plus b as well as a minus b. Right? So a and b are given out here. So therefore a plus b. So what is the value for a? It is root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 plus, and what is b? It is root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1. Right? So this is the expression. So let us simplify it. Let's find out the LCM now. What's the LCM here? It is root 5 minus 1 into this is root 5 plus 1, right? So these are the LCM. These two factors are the LCM. Okay. Now this LCM is divided by root 5 minus 1. That means root 5 minus 1 will be cancelled. So root 5 plus 1 remains. Right. So root 5 plus 1 into root 5 plus 1, same expression, you have to multiply them. So what is the product? It is root 5 plus 1 whole square plus. Again, this LCM is divided by root 5 plus 1. So root 5 plus 1 will be cancelled, and what do we get? Root 5 minus 1. So root 5 minus 1 into root 5 minus 1, same expression, multiply them, you will get root 5 minus 1 whole square. Right? So this is the simplification. Right? So now let us simplify the numerator now. So in the numerator, what's the formula? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. Right? So it is what is a whole square? Root 5 whole square plus twice ab plus 2 into root 5 into 1 plus what is b whole square? 1 whole square. Right? Again plus sign is there. Again this is a minus b whole square. Right? What is a minus b whole square? It is root 5 whole square minus 2 into root 5 into 1, root 5 into 1 plus what is b whole square here? It is plus 1 whole square. Right? So this is your a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. Right? Now it is a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Right? What is a in this case? Root 5, and what is b? 1. So it is root 5 whole square minus what is b whole square? It is 1. So is that clear? So let's simplify it again. What is root over 5 whole square? Only 5. You know that, isn't it? So it is 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1, right? Next, what is root 5 whole square again? It is plus 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 whole divided by, in the denominator, what is root 5 whole square? It is 5 minus 1, right? So this 2 root over 5, 2 root over 5 gets cancels. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, plus 1 is 12. So 12 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is always 3. So we get a plus b is equal to 3, right? So let us write here. So we get a plus b is equal to 3. Is it clear now? So we have got the value for a plus b, which is equal to 3. Okay. So now let us find out the value for a minus b first. Okay. Again, a minus b. So therefore, a minus b is equal to. So what is a out here? it is root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 minus, what is b here? It is root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1, right? So let us simplify it similarly as we have done in the previous steps, okay? So let us simplify it. Again, you have to get the LCM. What's the LCM of root 5 minus 1 and root 5 plus 1? It is root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1, right? So which is equal to, what's the LCM now? It is root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. So this LCM is divided by this factor, root 5 minus 1, right? So root 5 minus 1 gets cancelled. What do we get? Root 5 plus 1. So root 5 plus 1 into root 5 plus 1 is root 5 plus 1 whole square, right? Minus. Again, this LCM is divided by root 5 plus 1. So root 5 plus 1 gets cancelled. What do we get? Root 5 minus 1. So root 5 minus 1 into root 5 minus 1 is, it is root 5 minus 1 whole square. Is that clear? So let us simplify it again. Similarly, you can simplify it further, right? So now, which is equal to, now again this is a plus b whole square. You know the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. What is a whole square here? Root 5 whole square plus 2ab. What is 2ab? 2 into root 5 into 1 plus, what is b whole square? 1 whole square, right? Minus, within second bracket. Again, this is a minus b whole square. What is a whole square? Root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square minus 2 into a into b, that is minus 2 into root 5 into 1 plus, what is b whole square? Plus 1 whole square. Second bracket is closed. So why did we write this expression within second bracket? Because there is minus sign in front of all this expression. Because so if you want to open this bracket, you have to multiply by minus sign. That means the sign changes. Okay. Divided by. Now what's the formula out here? It is a minus b into a plus b. That is also a square minus b square. So it is root over 5 whole square minus 1 whole square. That is a square minus b square. Root 5 whole square, that is a is root 5 and what is b? It is 1. So now let us simplify it once again. What is root 5 whole square? It is 5 plus, what is 2 root 5 into 1? It is 2 root 5 plus 1 whole square is 1. Minus, so within bracket we have 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 whole divided by, in the denominator, what is root 5 whole square? It is 5. It is 5, then minus 1 whole square is 1, right? Is equal to 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1. Now multiply by minus sign there. So sign changes, minus 5 minus 2 minus plus 2 root 5 minus 2 plus minus 1 whole divided by 4. Is that clear? So here you can cancel this 5 minus 5, cancel it, and 1 minus 1 you can cancel them, which is equal to, what is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5? 4 root 5. It is just like here 2a plus 2a, that is 4a, right? So similarly, what is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5? 4 root 5 divided by 4. 4 gets cancels. What do we get? It is root over 5. So what is the value for a minus b? It is root 5. So a minus b is equal to what? It is root over 5. Okay. So a plus b is equal to 3, and what is a minus b? A minus b is equal to root over 5. So we have got these two values, that is a plus b is equal to 3 and a minus b is equal to, it is root over 5. Okay. Now let us find out the value for 1. Okay. So let us find out the value of number 1. So a square plus ab plus b square divided by a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So which is equal to, now in the numerator which formula is used? A square plus b square. Okay. So write it together. That is a square plus b square plus ab, right? Similarly, a square plus b square, write it within bracket, a square plus b square, then minus ab. Is that clear? And so now what will you do in the next step? This a square plus b square, you know the formula, isn't it? You know this formula, that is a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square formula? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Is that clear? That is a square plus b square is equal to, what is the formula? It is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Right? So let us use the formula here. So it is a plus b whole square minus 2ab plus ab divided by, in the denominator also, a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, then minus ab. Is that clear? So now, so let us use the value. Oh, you have to get the value for AB also. Okay, we'll get it. Okay. So now, AB. Let us get the value for AB also. You should get the value for A into B also. Because there is AB, we are getting AB out here, isn't it? So what is A? It is root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1. That is your A. Into what is B? What is the value for B? It is root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1. That is root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1. That is your B. But you can cancel here. Root 5 minus 1, root 5 minus 1, it can be cancelled. That means 1. Again, root 5 plus 1, 1 are root 5 plus 1, and root 5 plus 1 into 1 is root 5 plus 1. That means you can cancel them. So it is 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to what? 1. That means AB is equal to, what is the value? It is 1. Okay. So now let us simplify it once again. So here we have a plus b whole square, right? What is minus 2ab plus ab? These are similar terms, can be simplified. Minus 2ab plus ab. It is just like your minus 2a plus a. That is, what is minus 2a plus a? But you have to write down the sign of the greater number. So similarly, what is here? It is minus ab. It is minus ab whole divided by, in the denominator, a plus b whole square, right? Now in this case, minus 2ab minus ab, same sign, similar terms can be added. If you have minus 2a minus a, what is that? Minus 3a. Similarly, what is minus 2ab minus ab? It is minus 3ab. Minus 3ab. Is that clear? So which is equal to, now what was the value for a plus b? The value for a plus b was 3. 3 whole square minus, what is the value for ab? We have just determined it. Ab is equal to 1, right? 1 divided by, what is ab whole square again? It is 3 whole square minus 3 into 1, right? So which is equal to, what is 3 square? 9 minus 1 divided by, what is 3 square again? 9 minus 3 ones are 3. So which is equal to, what is 9 minus 1? 8. And what is 9 minus 3? It is 6. So it is 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer here? It is 4 upon 3. So the answer of this question, that is a square plus ab plus b square divided by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to what? It is 4 upon 3. So is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you? So now let's do question number 2. 6 number 2. Let's do it, right? So now number 2 is, it is given a minus b whole cube divided by a plus b whole cube, right? So we can put the value for a minus b and a plus b. we have just determined it. What is the value for a minus b? What was the value for a minus b? It is root 5, isn't it? This is root over 5. So it is root over 5 whole cube divided by, what was the value for a plus b? That is a plus b is 3. So it is 3 whole cube. Okay? Is equal to root 5 into root 5 into root 5. That is root over 5 whole cube means root over 5 is multiplied thrice. That is root 5 into root 5 into root 5. And 3 whole cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Which is equal to, what is the answer now? What is root 5 into root 5? Root over 25. What is root over 25? That is 5. That is 5 root 5 divided by 3 3s are 9 3s are what? It is 27. So what is the answer? It is 5 root 5 divided by 27. Is that clear? So next. So let us find out the value of question number 3. Okay. So you can copy it, number 2. Okay. So let's do that question number 3. So question number 3 is, what is the given expression? 3a square plus 5ab plus 3b square whole divided by 3a square minus 5ab plus 3b square. So you can use the same method for number 3 as we have done for question number 1, this one. Okay, so let us write it together, 3a square and 3b square, right? So it's equal to 3a square plus 3b square plus 5ab whole divided by, what is the other one? 3a square plus 3b square minus 5ab. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, next, which is equal to, now from the first two terms, what is common here? It is 3. It is a square plus b square plus 5ab whole divided by, again in the denominator, what is common from the first two terms? 3 common. So it is a square plus b square then minus 5ab. Is that correct? So next. So next one, which is equal to, in the numerator, 3 into, you can use the formula for a square plus b square, right? So what is the formula for a square plus b square? You know that it is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Second bracket is closed. Then plus 5ab. Then plus 5ab whole divided by, in the denominator also, 3 within second bracket. What is a square plus b square? Again, you can use the same formula here also. A plus b whole square minus twice ab. Second bracket is closed. Then you have to write down minus 5ab. Is that right? Okay. Now let us simplify it. Now you can multiply by 3 here. 3 into a plus b whole square, right? Then minus 6ab. Then plus 5ab. This whole divided by, in the denominator, what can you write? 3 into a plus b whole square minus, this is 3 2s are 6ab. It is minus 6ab, then minus 3 5s are 15. Oh, sorry. This is, you have to multiply it by 3 only. 3 into a plus b whole square minus 6ab, then minus 5ab. So it is minus 5ab. Is that clear? Next is equal to 3 into a plus b whole square. Okay. So what is minus 6ab plus 5ab? Different sign, you have to subtract it. But after subtracting, you have to write down the sign of the greater number. That is minus ab. Whole divided by 3 into a plus b whole square. What is minus 6ab minus 5ab? That is same sign, you have to add them. So minus 11ab. Right? So now let us put the value for a plus b and ab. So what do we get? Is equal to 3 into, what is a plus b? A plus B, you know that it was 3, isn't it? So we have done it in the previous step and we have calculated A plus B is equal to 3. So it is 3 whole square minus, what is AB? AB is 1 divided by, again 3 into, what is A plus B? It is 3 whole square minus 11 into, what is AB? AB is 1, right? Let us simplify it. 3 into 3 square is 9 minus 1 divided by 3 into, this is also 3 square is 9 minus 11 ones are 11 is equal to, now 3 lines are 27 minus 1 divided by 3 lines are 27 minus 11. So let's simplify it. What is 27 minus 1? 27 minus 1. 9 3s are 27, minus 1 is 26. And what is 27 minus 11? That is, it is 16. Is that right? So you can cancel it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This is 2 8s are 16, which is equal to 13 by 8. So what is the answer out here? It is 13 by 8. That is, what is the value of this number 3? That is 3a square plus 5ab plus 3b square whole divided by 3a square minus 5ab plus 3b square is equal to, it is 13 upon 8. Is that clear to all of you? So you can copy it. Now we'll do that 6 number 4. Okay. Now let's do 6 number 4. Now 6 number 4 is, what is it? In the numerator it is given a cube plus b cube, and in the denominator it is given a cube minus b cube. So you can use the formula of a cube plus b cube. You should know it. What is a cube plus b cube? Which formula is used? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? So which is equal to, this is your a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So now you are in class 10, you should know this formula, okay? So this formula you should do it in class, you should have done it in class 8, okay? So there is formula for a cube minus b cube also, that is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So if there is a cube plus b cube, this is a plus b, this is also a plus b, but this should be minus. But if it is a cube minus b cube, then you should write here minus minus, but it should be plus, right? So let us put the value now. What is a plus b? It was 3 whole cube minus 3 into, what is the value for ab? It is 1. And what is the value for a plus b? It is 3. Whole divided by, what is a minus b whole cube? Root 5, isn't it? It is root 5, right? So it is root 5 whole cube plus 3 into 1 into, what is a minus b? It is root 5, right? So let us simplify it. Let us simplify it now, which is equal to, what is 3 whole cube? That is, 3 is multiplied thrice. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 minus, this is 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9 divided by, in the denominator, what is root 5 whole cube? Here also root 5 is multiplied thrice. Root 5 is multiplied thrice, right? Plus it is 3 root over 5. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into root 5 is 3 root over 5. So one is rational number and the other one is irrational number. So you cannot multiply them. Just write down 3 root over 5. Okay. So what is 3 3s are? 9 9 3s are 27 minus 9 divided by. Now what is root 5 into root 5? 5. Then write down root 5 plus 3 root 5. Is that clear? Now you can subtract 9 from 27. What is it? 18. Right? 18 divided by, what is 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5? It is just like here, 5a plus 3a. 5 apples plus 3 apples is equal to 8 apples, isn't it? Similarly, what is 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5? 8 root over 5. Okay, now you can cancel 18 and 8 by 2. So it is 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? It is 9 divided by root over 5. So this is the final answer. That is the answer for the question number 4 is 9 divided by 4 root over 5. That is, what is the value for a cube plus b cube divided by a cube minus b cube? It is 9 divided by 4 root over 5. So that is your answer. Okay, so you can copy it. We'll do the next question now. Now we will do the next question, that is question number 7, right? So the question is, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 is the value for x, y is equal to, what is given here, 2 minus root 3. Let us calculate the simplified values of number a, that is number 1 is x minus 1 upon x, in number 2 y square plus 1 upon y square, in number 3 x cube minus 1 upon x cube, and number 4 is xy plus 1 upon xy. Okay, and in number b you have to get the value for 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. Okay, so let's do number 1 first, that is a number 1. So what is a number 1 here? X minus 1 upon x. So let us put the value for x here. What is x in this case? It is 2 plus root 3 minus 1 upon, what is x in this case? It is also 2 plus root 3, right? And so now in this case, what will you do here? You have to simplify the third term. That means you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing means you have to remove square root from the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3? That is 2 minus root 3, isn't it? I told you in the last online class, 2 plus root 3 sabare isko rationalizing factor. What is this rationalizing factor? It is 2 minus root 3, right? So is equal to 2 plus root 3 minus, in the numerator also you should multiply it by the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3, that is 2 minus root 3. Okay, divided by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Is it clear now? Let us simplify it. 2 plus root 3 minus, in the numerator there is 2 minus root 3 all divided by, so what is the formula in this case? A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A whole square, 2 whole square minus, what is b whole square? It is root over 3 whole square. So is that clear now? Let us simplify it. Is equal to 2 plus root 3, then comes here minus sign. So in the numerator there is 2 minus root 3, let us put it within bracket, whole divided by. So what is 2 whole square? 4. 2 whole square is 4 minus, what is root 3 whole square? Root 3 into root 3, that is root over 9. What is square root of 9? It is 3. So which is equal to now? It is 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 whole divided by 1. So if there is 1 in the denominator, you don't have to write it. Okay, so let us open this bracket now. Is equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 2 then minus 2 minus plus root 3, right? So here you can cancel this 2 minus 2 gets cancels. Is equal to, what is root 3 plus root 3? It is 2 root 3. So root 3 plus root 3 is equal to what? It is 2 root over 3. So we have got the value for x minus 1 upon x, right? So x minus 1 upon x is equal to, what is this value? It is 2 root over 3. So we did number 1. Okay, so let's do question number 2. So number 2 is, you have to get the value for what? Y square plus 1 upon y square. So in this case you can use the formula a square plus b square. It is a square plus b square, isn't it? Y whole square plus 1 upon y whole square. So this is your a square plus b square. So what is the formula that you can use here for a square plus b square? It is a plus b whole square minus twice ab, right? So which is equal to, what is a whole square in this case? Y whole square, right? Plus what is b whole square? It is 1 upon y whole square. Okay? So what is a here? Y. And what is b here? 1 upon y. That is a square plus b square. Use that formula here. Okay? So a plus b. What is a plus b? Y plus 1 upon y whole square minus twice ab. That is 2 into a is y into b is 1 upon y. So here y gets cancelled. That is 1. Now it is y plus 1 upon y whole square minus 2. Okay. Now let us find out the value for expression within whole square. That is y plus 1 upon y को चाहिँ अब हामी के निकाल्छौं? Value निकाल्छौं. So let us find out the value for y plus 1 upon y, right? So let us find out the value for y plus 1 upon y, which is equal to, what is y here? It is 2 minus root 3 plus 1 upon, what is y again? It is 2 minus root 3. Is that clear? Now you have to simplify the third term. Rationalize the denominator. That means remove square root from the denominator. Okay? So 2 minus root 3 plus, in the numerator you should multiply it by 2 plus root 3 whole divided by, in the denominator also you should multiply 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. That is 2 plus root 3 is the rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3. So I think you know the meaning of rationalizing. Rationalizing the denominator means you have to remove square root from the denominator. That means you have to convert that irrational number into rational number. Clear? So let us simplify it. Is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus, in the numerator this is 2 plus root 3, this whole divided by, so in the denominator what is the formula? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, right? So a square minus b square, 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Is it clear to all of you? So which is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root over 3, this whole divided by 4 minus 3. Is that clear now? Next. So which is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 plus root over 3 divided by 1. Again, if there is 1 in the denominator, you don't have to write it. So which is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. So here minus root 3 plus root 3 gets cancelled. So what is 2 plus 2? It is 4. So now, what is the value for y plus 1 upon y? Y plus 1 upon y is 4. Got it? So y plus 1 upon y is equal to, it is 4. Is that clear? Now actually you have to get the value for what? Y square plus 1 upon y square. So it was simplified and we got this expression, isn't it? That is y plus 1 upon y whole square minus 2. So now write down, given expression is equal to, so actually the given expression was y square plus 1 upon y square, isn't it? And it was simplified and we got this expression, y plus 1 upon y whole square minus 2, isn't it? Y plus 1 upon y whole square minus 2, isn't it? Okay, that is actually it is 2 into AB. AB means y into 1 upon y. Y gets cancelled, we will get only 2. Is that clear? So here you can put the value for y plus 1 upon y. Okay. So is equal to, what is the value for y plus 1 upon y? It was 4, isn't it? So it is 4 whole square minus 2 which is equal to now, what is 4 whole square? 16. 16 minus 2, which is equal to, what is the answer here? It is 14. So what is the value for y square plus 1 upon y square, which is equal to 14. So we got the answer. We got the answer as 14. Okay. So now let's do question number 3 now. Next question is number 3. Number 3 is x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So let us get its value. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube, in this case, how can you simplify it? We can write it in the form of a cube minus b cube, isn't it? What is a whole cube? X whole cube minus, what is b whole cube? It is 1 upon x whole cube, right? So in place of a there is x, and in place of b there is 1 upon x. So that is your a cube minus b cube. So what is the formula here? It is x minus 1 upon x whole cube, a minus b whole cube, plus 3 into what is a? X into b is 1 upon x. And what is a minus b? It is x minus 1 upon x. So this is the formula. So here you can cancel it. X1s are x, x1s are x, right? So now next, which is equal to, what was the value for x minus 1 upon x? It was 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole cube. Then plus 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. 3. What is x minus 1 upon x value? It is 2 root 3. So within bracket you should write 2 root over 3. So let us simplify it. 2 root over 3 whole cube. What is meant by it? 2 root over 3 is multiplied thrice. That is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Okay? 2 root over 3 whole cube means this 2 root over 3 is multiplied 3 times. That is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Plus 3 to the 6 root 3. Right? Is equal to, now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. These rational numbers can be multiplied. That is 8. Now you can multiply these irrational numbers. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. Root 3 into root 3 is only 3. Into, again root 3 is there. Plus 6 root over 3. So which is equal to, what is 8 3s are? 8 3s are 24, right? 8 3s are 24. You can multiply these two rational numbers, that is 8 3s are 24, and write down the irrational number, that is root 3 plus 6 root 3. So what is 24a plus 6a? You can add them, 30a. Similarly, what is 24 root 3 plus 6 root 3? It is 30 root over 3. So this is the answer. So this is question number 3. Now let's do question number 4. So you can copy it. So let's do that question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is xy plus 1 upon xy. Xy plus 1 upon xy. So let's do this question now. So let us put the value. What is x here? 2 plus root 3. What is y here? 2 minus root 3 plus. Again 1 upon, what is x in this case? It is 2 plus root 3. What is y? It is 2 minus root 3, right? So in this case also you can use the formula a plus b into a minus b, because one of the factors is 2 plus root 3 and the other factor is 2 minus root 3, right? So this is your a plus b into a minus b. That one is also a plus b into a minus b. So which is equal to, what is a whole square? 2 whole square minus what is b whole square? Root 3 whole square, right? Plus 1 upon, what is a whole square in this case? 2 whole square minus what is b whole square? It is root over 3 whole square. So in this case, which formula is used? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So what is 2 square? 4 minus what is root 3 whole square? 3. Because root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 9 means 3. plus 1 upon, similarly here also 2 square is 4 and minus root 3 whole square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 upon 4 minus 3 is 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 upon 4 minus 3 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is the answer for question number 4. Is that clear? So you can copy it. So let's do now question number B. Okay. So what is question number B there? So here question number B is 3x square minus 5xy plus y square. Isn't it? So now we will do the next question, that is question number B, right? So now this question is to be done, number B. So let us write question number B now. So you write question number B, this one, write it again. 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square, okay? So in order to calculate this value of this expression, let us find out the value for x plus y first, okay? So therefore, x plus y is equal, what is x? 2 plus root 3 plus, what is y? It is 2 minus root 3, right? So here root 3 gets cancels. Root 3 minus root 3 will be cancelled. What is 2 plus 2? It is 4, right? So let us find out the value for x, y now. Let us get the value for x into y. What is x in this case? 2 plus root 3 into what is y? It is 2 minus root 3, which is equal to, now this is your a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square, isn't it? It is 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Here a is 2 and what is b? It is root 3. So it is the formula a square minus b square, that is 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. What is 4 minus 3? It is 1. So what is the value for xy? It is 1. And what is the value for x plus y? It is 4. So let us find out the value for number B. So number B here is what? 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. So let us simplify it. So let us write it together. That is 3x square and 3y square. 3x square and 3y square. Let us write them together, which is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 5xy, which is equal to, what is common out here? It is 3. So within bracket, what do we get? X square plus y square. Then what do we write here? It is minus 5xy. Now you know this formula, that is x square plus y square. Which formula is used? A square plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so it's equal to 3. Within second bracket, what do we write? X plus y whole square minus 2xy. Second bracket is closed. Then what do we write? Minus 5xy. Is that clear to all of you? So which is equal to next? Now multiply by 3 here. It is 3 into x plus y whole square. Again multiply the second term by 3. What do we get? Minus 6xy, then minus 5xy. Is that clear? So now next, what will you do? So now what will you do in the next step? In the next step, which is equal to 3 into x plus y whole square. So what is minus 6xy minus 5xy? Same sign, you have to add them, isn't it? Minus minus, if there is same sign, you have to add them. So minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. So similar terms can be added. Minus 11xy. So which is equal to 3 into, what was the value for x plus y? Okay, I mean in sense, so x plus y. So x plus y was 2 plus 2, that is 4. That is 4 whole square minus 11 into, what was the value for x into y? It was 1, isn't it? So this is 1, which is equal to 3 into, what is 4 whole square? 16 minus, this is your 11. So 3/16s are 48. 3 into 16 is 48. 3/16s are 48, isn't it? Minus 11. So if you subtract it, what do we get? It is 37. So this is the answer. So what is the value for 3x square minus 5xy plus 3y square, which is equal to what? The required answer is 37. Understood now? So you can copy it. So let's do the next question. So let's do question number 8. So this is an important question. If x is equal to root 7 plus root 3 divided by root 7 minus root 3 and xy is equal to 1, let us show that x square plus xy plus y square in the numerator divided by x square minus xy plus y square in the denominator is equal to 12 upon 11. Okay? So in this case, the value for x is given and the value for xy is equal to 1 is also given. You have to prove this left hand side is equal to 12 upon 11. Okay. So now in this case, the value for y is not given. You have to get the value for y. Okay. So here given is, what is given here? X is equal to root 7 plus root 3 divided by root 7 minus root 3. Right. Now, again, what is given? xy is equal to 1 is given. Let us get the value for y here. Y is equal to 1 upon x, right? Or y is equal to 1 upon the value for x is given. You can put the value for x out here. That is root 7 plus root over 3 divided by root 7 minus root 3. Is that clear? So when this denominator goes up in the numerator, it becomes upside down. You know that, isn't it? So what is the value for y here? It is root 7 minus root 3 divided by, it is root 7 plus root 3. That is the value for y. So we know the value for x, we also know the value for y, and we also know the value for xy, which is equal to 1. Okay? So now let us prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So let us write down left hand side. What is left hand side here? Let us write it. What is left hand side? It is x square plus xy plus y square divided by x square minus xy plus y square. But in this case, you have to get the value for x plus y. Let us get the value for x plus y first in order to get the value of this left hand side. Okay? So let us write down x plus y, which is equal to, what is the value for x here? It is root 7 plus root over 3 divided by root 7 minus root 3, right? Then write down plus sign. What is the value for y here? It is root 7 minus root 3. Root 7 minus root 3 divided by, it is root 7 plus root 3. Now, you know how to simplify it, isn't it? So, you have to get the LCM. What's the LCM of these two different factors? These two different factors itself is the LCM, right? So, it is root 7 minus root 3 into root 7 plus root 3. So, these are the LCM. Now, this LCM is divided by root 7 minus root 3. These two minus root 7 minus root 3 will be cancelled. So, it remains root 7 plus root 3. You should multiply it by the numerator, that is root 7 plus root 3. If you multiply the same factors, it will be root 7 plus root over 3 whole square plus. Again, this LCM is divided by root 7 plus root 3. So, root 7 plus root 3 will be cancelled. You will get root 7 minus root 3 into root 7 minus root 3. What is that? Whole square, isn't it? So, root 7 minus root 3, this is also whole square. Is it clear to all of you? Now let us simplify it. So let us simplify it now, which is equal to, this is your a plus b whole square, right? What is the formula? a whole square, root 7 whole square plus then comes twice ab. You know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So it is root 7 whole square plus 2 into root 7 into root 3 plus what is b whole square? It is root 3 whole square, right? Next, plus, again this is a minus b whole square, isn't it? What is the formula? What is a whole square? It is root 7 whole square minus twice ab. 2 into root 7 into root 3 plus what is b whole square? It is root over 3 whole square. Whole divided by, in the denominator, what will you write? A minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So what do we write here? Root 7 whole square minus, it is root over 3 whole square. Is it clear now? So now we have to simplify it again. Is equal to, what is root 7 whole square? Square root will be removed. That is 7. How did you get only 7? Root 7 into root 7 is root over 49, which is equal to 7. Plus, these two will be cancelled. Same expression, but they are of opposite sign. You can cancel them. Plus, what is root 3 whole square? 3 plus, what is root 7 whole square? 7 plus, what is the last one? What is root 3 whole square? 3 whole divided by, what is root 7 whole square? That is 7 minus, what is root 3 whole square? 3, which is equal to 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 3 is 20. That is 10 plus 10 is 20 divided by 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 5. Okay. So what is the value for x plus y? Just now we got it, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. So now we have to find out the value for that left hand side. So let us write down left hand side again. That is LHS is equal to x square plus xy plus y square divided by x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. So let us write down the term containing square together. X square plus y square हामी सँगसँगै राखौं. So which is equal to x square plus y square, keep it within bracket. Okay. Then write down plus xy whole divided by, in the denominator also write down first x square plus y square, then what do we write? Minus xy. Is it clear? So now which formula is used for x square plus y square again? You know the formula, isn't it? So what is the formula for x square plus y square? It is a plus b whole square minus twice ab, right? So let us write down, which is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2ab, that means minus 2xy. Then write down plus xy, this whole divided by, again in the denominator, what is x square plus y square? X plus y whole square minus 2xy, then minus xy, right? So let us simplify it. So let us simplify. It is x plus y whole square. What is minus 2xy? This is your minus 2xy, right? What is minus 2xy plus xy? Different sign, you have to subtract it. And these are the similar terms. So it is minus xy, right? Whole divided by x plus y whole square. Now same sign are there, isn't it? Minus 2xy minus xy. Same sign, you have to add them. So it is minus 3xy, right? So which is equal to, what is the value? What was the value for x plus y? We have just determined it. What is x plus y? It is 5 whole square minus, what is xy? Xy is 1. It is given in the question. Whole divided by, what is x plus y again? It is 5 whole square minus 3 into xy is 1. Right? What is 5 whole square? 25 minus 1 divided by, what is 5 whole square again? It is 25 minus 3. Right? So let's simplify it. So which is equal to, what is 25 minus 1? 24, isn't it? 25 minus 1 is 24, divided by what is 25 minus 3? That is 22. So you can cancel here. You can cancel it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, which is equal to 12 divided by 11. That is proved. So in the question, you have to prove that. So we have proved the required result. Okay. So I think you have understood it. You can practice it at home. Okay. Now we'll do the next question. Now, we will do question number 9, right? So let us write which one is greater of, that is root 7 plus 1 and root 5 plus root 3. So among these two given numbers or sorts, which one is greater? Whether it is root 7 plus 1 is greater, or whether it is root 7 plus 1 is greater than root 5 plus root 3, or root 5 plus root 3 is greater than root over 7 plus 1. Okay, so let us find out the value of its square first, because you have to remove the square root, isn't it? So if you can remove that square root, you can easily check whether the first one is greater than second, or second is greater than first. Okay, let us square it. So root 7 plus 1 whole square, right? So is equal to, what is the formula that you can use here? A plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square, right? So what is a whole square out here? Root 7 whole square plus 2 into a is root 7 into b is 1, right? Then plus, what is b whole square? It is 1 whole square, right? So which is equal to, now root 7 whole square is 7, you know that. Root 7 whole square is root 7 into root 7, that is root over 49, which is equal to 7. Plus this is your 2 root 7, then plus 1, which is equal to, what is 7 plus 1? You can add these rational numbers, that is 7 plus 1, that is 8. So it is 8 plus 2 root over 7. Is that clear? Next, let us square it. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to, same formula may be used out here, that is root 5 whole square plus twice into root 5 into root 3 plus, what is b whole square? It is root over 3 whole square. You know this formula again, isn't it? A square plus 2ab plus b whole square, right? So which is equal to, what is root 5 whole square? It is 5 plus 2 into, you can simplify these two similar expression, that is root 5 into root 3, both are irrational numbers, so you can multiply them, which is root over 15. Root over 5 into root over 5 into root over 3 is root over 5 into 3, which is equal to root over 15. Like if you have root over a into root over b, so within square root you can multiply a and b. So likewise root 5 into root 3 is root over 5 into 3, which is equal to root over 15. Then plus, what is root 3 whole square? It is 3, which is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 root over 15. So both these given numbers are squared, and we got root 7 plus 1 whole square as 8 plus 2 root 7, and root 5 plus root 3 whole square, we got this expression as 8 plus 2 root over 15. Now you can check here, which one is greater? Both are same here, this plus 2 same, but this is root 7, but this is root over 15. Which one is greater? This is greater, right? That means root over 5 plus root over 3 whole square is greater than root over 7 plus 1 whole square. That is, you can write root 5 plus root over 3 whole square is greater than what? This one is greater than this, isn't it? That is root 5 plus root over 3 whole square is greater than what? This is greater than sign. It is root over 7 plus 1 whole square, right? You know that. This is greater than sign. This is your greater than, right? तो यो भनेको greater than, यो भनेपछि के हो? Less than. This is less than. Okay. So from this expression we can say that 8 plus 2 root over 15 is more than 8 plus 2 root over 7, isn't it? So root over 5 plus root over 3 whole square is greater than what? It is root over 7 plus 1 whole square. Now we can take square root on both the sides. We can take square root on both the sides. What do we get? Root 5 plus root 3 is greater than root 7 plus 1. Okay? So let us write down which one is greater. Therefore root 5 plus root over 3 is what? Is greater than root over 7 plus 1. So this is the answer. That is, which one is greater? Root 5 plus root over 3. Root 5 plus root over 3 is more than root over 7 plus 1. So is the question clear? So now I'll give you some homework. You can do them at home, right? So now these are your homework. Okay. So question number 10. Very short answer type question, BSA. That is in question number 8, it is MCQ, multiple choice question, and this type of question carries 1 mark. Okay. So number 1 is, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then the value of x plus 1 upon x is, which one is correct? You have to check the correct answer. So I think we can do it. We have done this type of problem previously, isn't it? And in question number 11, this is short answer type question, short answer. This question carries 2 marks. This question carries, multiple choice question carries 1 marks. And this short answer type question, it carries, each question carries 2 marks, right? So what is number 1, 11 number 1? If x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, let us write the value of x plus 1 upon x. You can do it again. You can do it, x plus 1 upon x. This number 1 and this number 1 are similar type of question, right? So I think you can do it. Try it at home, okay? And number 2 is, let us write which one is greater of. That is root over 15 plus root over 3 and root over 10 plus root over 8. So among these two given expression, which one is greater? You have to check it. So we have already done this type of problem. That is, it is similar to problem number 9. So you can use the same method for this question as we did in question number 9. Okay, you have understood? Your question number 11 ko 2 jun chai cha, यो दुईटामा कुन चाहिँ ज्यादा छ, which one is greater? You have to check it. So it is, this question is similar to which question number? That is question number 9. Okay. So this much is for today. So you revise all the problems that we did today. Okay. So if there is any question, you can comment me or you can call me also. Okay. So if you can't do any numbers, if you face any problems regarding the problems I gave you, you can write down that question number in the comment box. I'll do it for you. Okay. So this much is for today.